Wondering which memory card brand is the best? Let's figure out the smartest choice for you. We are here to guide you in making the right decision for your memory card purchase. Let's explore the brands customers avoid due to negative reports of each brand to see why they are being avoided. First one, Silicon Power memory card brand faces quality issues. Second, Transcend memory card brand grapples with customer is not satisfied. Third, Kingston memory card brand encounters poor quality. Fourth, CP Plus memory card brand confronts quality issues. And fifth, Strontium memory card brand suffers from customer is not satisfied, as reported by customers. As a result, customers have strongly opted to avoid these brands. Let's now explore the top 4 recommended memory card brands, including: first one, SanDisk memory card; second, Gigastone memory card; third, Amazon Basics memory card; and fourth, Samsung memory card. Let's see the comparison. Let's take a quick look at the memory types each brand offers. Let me see the comparison of each memory card brands. SanDisk opts for microSD, while Gigastone, Amazon Basics, and Samsung go for microSDXC, offering a range of choices to suit your needs. How quickly can the memory card retrieve data? Let me see the comparison of each memory card brands. SanDisk leads at 190 MB per second, while Gigastone and Amazon Basics offer reliable performance at 100 MB per second each, Samsung at 130 MB per second. The right speed at which the card can save new data. Let me see the comparison of each memory card brands. SanDisk achieves an impressive 130 MB per second, while Gigastone trails at 50 MB per second, Amazon Basics matches this speed at 90 MB per second, and Samsung at 90 MB per second. Is the memory card resistant to water damage? Let me see the comparison of each memory card brands. Fear not, as all 4 brands have your back with waterproof designs, ensuring your precious data stays safe and secure in any environment. Different storage capacities to suit your needs. Let me see the comparison of each memory card brands. Discover diverse storage capacities across leading brands, with SanDisk offering 64 128 256 512 of a gigabyte memory card, Gigastone featuring 64 128 256 512 of a gigabyte memory card, Amazon Basics providing 64 128 256 512 of a gigabyte memory card, and Samsung presenting options in 64 128 256 512 of a gigabyte memory card. The country of origin for each brand's memory card. Let me see the comparison of each memory card brands. SanDisk hails from America, Gigastone represents Taiwan, Amazon Basics is proudly made in China, and Samsung stands as a testament to South Korean craftsmanship. The range of temperatures the card can withstand. Let me see the comparison of each memory card brands. SanDisk and Gigastone thrive in extreme conditions from -25 degrees Celsius to 85 degrees Celsius. Amazon Basics maintains resilience in a range from -10 degrees Celsius to 80 degrees Celsius, and Samsung excels in temperatures spanning -25 degrees Celsius to 85 degrees Celsius. The card's performance class for video recording. Let me see the comparison of each memory card brands. Speed classes vary among these brands, with SanDisk, Amazon Basics, and Samsung proudly boasting A2, showcasing high performance capabilities, while Gigastone holds an A1 speed class. Overall speed and efficiency of the memory card. Let me see the comparison of each memory card brands. Performance takes center stage, with SanDisk and Samsung showcasing exceptional capabilities, while Amazon Basics and Gigastone deliver solid and commendable performance. Compliance with the Class 10 speed specification. Let me see the comparison of each memory card brands. Securing a Class 10 designation, all brands guarantee uniform high-speed performance and dependable data storage capabilities, ensuring a reliable and consistent user experience. Special features, any unique functionalities or technologies. Let me see the comparison of each memory card brands. SanDisk excellent transfer speed to Gigastone's fast gaming response, Amazon Basics capability to work well in low temperatures, and Samsung's emphasis on good durability. Above 4.4 star rating on Amazon, customer satisfaction and positive reviews. Let me see the comparison of each memory card brands. Enjoying widespread acclaim on Amazon, SanDisk boasts 38,264 ratings, Gigastone with 34,156 ratings, Amazon Basics at an impressive 51,014 ratings, and Samsung leading the pack with a remarkable 160,599 ratings. Build quality, the durability and construction of the memory card. Let me see the comparison of each memory card brands. Quality of construction varies among brands, with SanDisk, Amazon Basics, and Samsung delivering an excellent build, while Gigastone provides a commendable good quality structure. Warranty, the length and terms of the warranty provided by each brand. Let me see the comparison of each memory card brands. SanDisk offering a lifetime warranty coverage, Gigastone providing 5 years warranty, Amazon Basics with a 1-year warranty, and Samsung extending a generous 10-year assurance warranty period. Let me see the common and good things in all these 4 memory card brands. These memory cards prove versatile, ensuring compatibility with smartphones and tablets, offering seamless data transfer across various devices. From DSLR cameras to action cameras, these memory cards exhibit broad compatibility, catering to the needs of photography and action enthusiasts alike. Designed to keep up with technology, these memory cards are compatible with GPS devices and drones, enhancing their usability in various tech-driven applications. Whether it's a laptop or a gaming console, these memory cards are engineered for compatibility, ensuring smooth data storage and retrieval across different platforms. Ensuring reliability in varying conditions, these memory cards are temperature resistant, adapting to different environments for consistent performance. Resilient against shocks, these memory cards are designed to withstand impact, ensuring the safety of your data during unexpected events. Earning popularity and trust, these memory cards have garnered significant sales online, reflecting their performance and reliability. Offering an extra layer of protection, these memory cards are X-ray shock resistant, safeguarding your data during security checks and transportation. Shielding your data from magnetic interference, these memory cards are magnetic resistant, ensuring the integrity of your stored information. Tailored for modern content creation, these memory cards are perfect for 4K video recording, delivering the speed and capacity required for high-resolution content. Ideal for printers, these memory cards facilitate seamless data transfer, providing a reliable storage solution for printing needs. Catering to security camera applications, these memory cards offer an ideal solution for consistent and secure storage of surveillance footage. Let me see the ratings from purchased customer in online. SanDisk memory card holds strong 4.5 star rating, and Gigastone memory card has good 4-star rating. Amazon Basics memory card holds strong 4.5 star rating. Samsung memory card holds a strong 4.5 star rating. Since online product prices can change daily, you can find the exact model and price of the product in the description below by clicking on the provided link. Before purchasing a memory card, ensure to scrutinize its read and write speeds, opt for highly rated brands, and verify features like high durability and protective capabilities to make an informed and reliable investment. We stand by our promise not to review cheap or poorly rated items. Avoid the cheap and short-lived, choose us for quality and value. Your subscription is not just a click, it's a vote of confidence that will help us to create videos for you. Please subscribe.